Okay, well, in this lecture, we will see what is important in environment for UPSC. Okay, so before moving forward, we have to decide why we are studying environment. Okay, so I categorize this topic in three sections. First thing is for having some knowledge, second thing is for cracking the examination, and the third thing is having some knowledge and cracking the examination. So if your purpose is for cracking the examination and having some knowledge, then you are at right place. But if your purpose is for having some knowledge like a research type of knowledge, then you are not at right place. You have to go university. And again, UPSC is very clear. They mentioned ki in environment and science technology you needed general awareness, although they are asking very tough questions, but they mentioned ki they required some general awareness. Okay, so according to UPSC syllabus and saying some questions, we will schedule our lecture. Okay, and we will adjust our lecture. So it is clear that they are asking some technology and some extraordinary evolving technology. Okay, so according to that type of questions, we will schedule our lecture. Okay, so it is now clear that our purpose is for cracking examination, and I also taught that if you completed your graduation, that means you have enough knowledge. Now the time is for reproducing those knowledge. Okay, so it is clear, purpose is clear ki why we are studying environment. Now moving forward, ki in environment what we have to learn. Okay, so I categorize environment in 6 sections. First thing is basics, and this topic is very important. And in basics you have to understand what is ecosystem, what is ecology, what is interaction, which type of interaction in ecosystem prevailed. Okay, specific species. Okay, again some level of ecology. Okay, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. So those type of basics we will see in basics. Second thing is biodiversity, and in biodiversity we will see two things. First thing is specific species, and the second thing is concept of biodiversity. Okay, how it is changing, how it is increasing, how it is decreasing, those type of concept. And in species we will see important species. See, we will see important species. We will not mug up all the species because it is not possible. And again UPSC is asking very you can say at a very flagship type of species like Great Indian Bustard, dugong, gharial, hornbill, elephant, tiger. They are not asking very minute species. Okay, and again they will ask some type of questions that is not approachable. So for 1 and 2 questions we will not dedicate our whole time. Okay, so it is clear ki in basics we will see some basics concept, and second thing we will see biodiversity, third is climate change, and this topic is very important. Fourth one is renewable energy, and this topic is also important because I am sure कि you have some ideas कि recently Prime Minister Modi he said कि from wind energy, from wind we can extract water and oxygen. So those type of technology we will discuss. Fifth one is mitigation strategy, and the sixth one is acts and body. And in mitigation strategy we will discuss conventions, financial instrument, technology, evolving technology. Okay, and the sixth one, that is acts and body, we will see some important acts like Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Environment Protection Act 1986, some bodies like NGT, Wildlife Institute of India, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. Okay, so that type of body we will discuss. Okay, so okay, well, we will meet in next lecture. There we will see the basics. Okay, thank you.